guess all this started in '05, '06 with back problems, lower back pain. We went the traditional route of seeing back doctors and orthopedists, and probably by '07, she basically was a couch potato. She laid on the couch all day and slept all night. We've always had Thanksgiving with our family and friends at our house, and that Thanksgiving she was unable to function at all. She couldn't prepare any of the meal. The family physician recommended a neurologist, and went to see him for probably a year or 2 years. He tried different medications, and she couldn't tolerate most of the common medications, so we went back to some of the early medications that are for dementia and Alzheimer's, but they didn't really have any effect, or didn't see any improvement. Basically, the next 6, 7, 8 years was just a downhill spiral of sleeping all the time, becoming less able to function, with no hope from any of the doctors that there was really any diagnosis other than she probably had Alzheimer's. But they diagnosed it as dementia, and it probably wasn't going to get any better.
Absolutely nothing was happening. I was just at home, sleeping. Just gradually, I ended up in the bed. Just nothing worked, nothing.
Just had no idea what to do other than take care of her needs during the day and at night, and keep the household going.
It's hard on the family. They don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on. And thank goodness I had my husband. I was so out of it. I really didn't. He could have taken me anywhere at that point. I had slept and slept. I couldn't follow directions. I just couldn't do the simplest things.
And one of her friends who lives in Lillian, Alabama, told Brenda, was very concerned about Brenda's condition, having not seen her in probably 20 years. And I told her about a practice in Foley, Alabama called Pathway to Wellness with Patricia Condon, and who is associated with Dr. Brown, and that we ought to come over and see what she had to say. So we made an appointment and came over probably 2 weeks after that, and saw Ms. Condon and saw Dr. Brown that day. And Dr. Brown did an evaluation and felt like he could help Brenda.
I don't know that I was impressed, or I don't even know that I was that connected at that point. But Louis was determined, that we do something, and that was fine with me. And then the doctor was so helpful and kind, and it kind of felt like it was meant to be. I began to wake up. I woke up and just slowly, inch by inch, got better. It was a miracle for us. It really was. It makes me feel alive again. Mm-hmm. My grandchildren, children, we're all back. We're all back again.
I would seriously recommend looking into it if you're looking at a future of dementia or possible Alzheimer's or depression. It's certainly worth looking at. We've seen so many depression patients here that have been suffering with depression for 20, 30 years. Just make that comment. The sun came up, I'm happy again. This is your best alternative.